Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Today, our group want to
Ahmad, please
discuss
come here.
about what are some benefits of keeping pets. Who want to go first?
Yeah, I would like to go first.
Okay.
So first of all, I think the main benefit is you can get physically active.
In your Padlet,
By
you
keeping a pet,
see
we can
today's
see our
program
body always
poster. Scroll down to the column, you will see feedback. Click the link and respond.
of the pet.
So these responses are collected based on every classes. So hope to receive the full feedback
Every day,
responses
so that
from
they
every
can
class.
be more wise as their natural habit. About it.
Of your point, for me, some benefit of keeping pet there is reduce stress.
Giving the feedback in this form, yeah?
It is because interacting with animals drop the body main hormones. Body main stress hormone. For example, petting a cat after a long work day. But you agree with me or you disagree?
For me, I agree with you, but I actually don't hear 100% of from your.
My point of benefit. My point is really stress because
Okay, you want the Padlet link? It's
interacting
here.
with
Bodoh lagi,
animals,
bodoh.
interacting with animals can reduce main stress hormones.
Okay, you should find the feedback link under this column.
I agree with you. I also have point. When we have a pet, the benefit from the keeping pet is bring happiness. Keeping pets can increase happiness because animals provide companionship and emotional support. Spending time with pets can reduce stress and make people feel more relaxed and positive. Are you agree with me? Are you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you for some reason. So I want to add some by keeping a pet, you can also can burn all your body fat, so you can get more clean when you have a pet. Because when you have a pet, when you have a pet, you need to take care. You need to always take care of your pet, like giving him a pet, giving shelter, food, and make him shower. And also you also need to always play with a pet, so that your connection will
Alright,
be
done?
more tight together. So, what about you? You agree, right?
Yeah, yes, I am agree with you. It is benefit of keeping pets.
So we have 7 responses so far.
Triggers
So we almost have 140 participants today.
because petting a companion release oxytocin.
Okay, any questions that you want to ask regarding your group discussion, the
For
assessment,
example,
or whatever you don't
watching
understand?
fish swim
We
in
can.
aquarium. How about you, Azri?
That's a good point. I agree with you. For me, I have a point too. Benefit of keeping pet is develop self-discipline. When we have the pets, we have to discipline ourselves to take care of it. We have to provide, like Imran said, provide home, food, shelter, soap, also shampoo for his fur if it cats. So when we have to provide it, we can that that benefit will discipline us to provide the pets. So actually
Apa dia?
Discipline is also good for ourselves to keep ourselves improve and more responsible to our life.
Selangor macam siapa menang? Dia
Is
ramai
it
menang.
true? Is it you agree with me?
Yeah, I absolutely agree with you. Other than that, also by keeping your pet, we can also keep our daily life routine. It is important because we need a daily life routine, so can be more responsible.
Seremban 2. Tak. Seremban 2. Dia 2 seremban. Yes, dua tu ketukar kan. Seremban 1 menang, seremban 2 menang. Aku je lebu grouping saja mah.
And also buy something for the pet.
Macam main bola power
So
macam
for my conclusion is that
dan daerah kecut lah.
giving a
Ego
pet
tu saya pucat lah.
because it can give you a lot of benefits such as
Aku pernah wakil ni.
happiness and can make you more kind.
Confirm pas. Masa tu muka pucat lah. Lawan orang besar. Ya, benda sebenarnya senang sebab dia dah 8 tim lah.
Okay, so no questions. You understand everything. How many marks do you want?
Kita tak nak bagi ni.
20.
I agree
20
with
now.
you. This is my last conclusion.
30. Full marks.
Pets provide many
Show
benefits.
your confidence, show your ability in discussing the topic to your tutors or the group members.
Pets can have
You
a
should be
positive
scoring the
impact and
marks.
people's life
Okay, no fear,
by
no
creating
anxiety, no panicking in the hall.
That's all.
Whatever it is, we are going to complete it. So might as well we complete it confidently. Okay, so kalau nak panic tu sebelum pergi tak ready, not enough practice, we don't want all these excuses. Tak nak. Okay, you have to brand yourself what type of person you are.